How to manage notifications filters on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications filters on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and click this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then you need to find this one, notifications. Click on it and then this one, filters. Click on it and as you see here you can manage notifications filters on Twitter, and you can turn this one off or on or anything you want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.